My wife just said she needed to borrow my truck for a cross-country road trip instead of taking the Volvo XC90 that I'm in right now. And this is a car she loves. And so I was like, why do you want my truck instead of your favorite car? And she said that her volume on her Bluetooth just wasn't working. She couldn't listen to her podcasts or her music. And I was like, that's strange, but sure, she can borrow my truck. And so I have the Volvo XC90. This is a 2021. And I'm using it this week. And it's true. It's been having this problem where if you turn the volume all the way up on Bluetooth, you have it all the way up on your phone and you have it all the way up on the stereo system in this XC90, it's like the volume is at level 1. And so I finally figured out what was going on. The solution to this is very simple. What you need to do is to press the home button below the screen for 30 seconds. And you have to be careful though, because if you're like me, I was listening to music and I was so frustrated with the volume that I had it turned all the way up, but still I could barely hear it. I was actually listening to Van Halen. And when you press that button for 30 seconds, when the system resets after a 30-second press on that home button, it will reset suddenly. And so the volume that you have, you'll be able to hear whatever you're listening to at that level 1, but instantly it will be at full volume. So make sure when you do this that you turn down your volume. I nearly blew out my ears with that Van Halen when it came back on. It wasn't gradual. There was no kind of pause. It was like instantaneous. So press down that home button for 30 seconds. And if you're not sure what the home button looks like, let me show you here. So this is the home button that you will be pressing down for 30 seconds. And this is a Volvo XC90 2021. So obviously it may vary by year, but you probably will know which one it is by just looking at it right below the screen and above the gear shift. Hold that down for 30 seconds. So I hope this little tip has helped fix your Volvo XC90. Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.